When it comes to hand blenders, Braun stands tall as the global leader, and their latest offering, the Braun Multi-Quick 5-Hand Blender, is a true game changer. Designed to fit snugly and comfortably in your hand, this cooking tool will become your daily culinary companion. With an array of attachments, including a beaker, whisk, 2-cup chopper, and masher, this hand blender lets you conquer a wide range of recipes, from delectable sauces to luscious smoothies and soups. Get ready to redefine your cooking experience with the Braun Multi-Quick 5-Hand Blender. Here are the key features of Braun 4-in-1 Immersion Hand Blender. Powerbell System. Unleashing a new level of blending excellence, the Braun Multi-Quick 5-Hand Blender takes blending to new heights with its innovative Powerbell system. Equipped with ultra-hard stainless steel blades and a unique bell-shaped blending shaft, this blender reduces suction and draws food inward for finer, smoother blending. Say goodbye to chunky textures and hello to velvety smoothness that will delight your taste buds. Splash control technology. Say goodbye to messy cleanups. Cleaning up after cooking can be a hassle, but the Braun Multi-Quick 5-Hand Blender makes it a breeze with its splash control technology. The distinctive floral bell shape and the strategic position of the blades inside the bell virtually eliminate splashing, ensuring that your kitchen stays neat and tidy. High precision durability, power and endurance combined. The heart of the Braun Multi-Quick 5-Hand Blender is its high precision, German-engineered motor. Evenly balanced for power and long-lasting durability, this robust motor guarantees smooth and comfortable operation. Prepare to embark on a culinary journey that stands the test of time with this powerhouse in your hands. Easy-Click Accessory System. Unleash your culinary creativity. Versatility is the name of the game with the Braun Multi-Quick 5-Hand Blender's Easy-Click Accessory System. With just a quick click, you can effortlessly change attachments and explore a world of culinary possibilities. Blend, chop, whisk, mash, crush, and puree with ease and precision, taking your culinary creations to new heights. The Braun Multi-Quick 5-Hand Blender comes with a beaker, whisk, 2-cup chopper, and masher, providing you with the ultimate arsenal to conquer your kitchen endeavors. From whipped cream to wholesome soups, this hand blender does it all. Discover the joy of effortless cooking and elevate your culinary game with the Braun Multi-Quick 5-Hand Blender. Embrace the efficiency, precision, and reliability that Braun brings to your kitchen, and experience cooking like never before. Say hello to culinary excellence and unlock a world of new flavors with the Braun Multi-Quick 5-Hand Blender.